भारतीय जनता पार्टी has a capacity to contest. Let us see.
कर्नाटक के साबिक वजीर आला BS येदियुरप्पा ने जुमे को कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जनता दल सेक्युलर ने कर्नाटक में 2024 के लोकसभा इंतखाबात के लिए उसूली तौर पर हाथ मिलाने पर इत्तेफाक किया है। रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक अमित शाह ने JDS को 4 लोकसभा सीट्स देने पर इत्तेफाक किया है।
They all have joined together earlier also. They had a lot of understanding themselves. But I don't think because 2-3 announcements with Kumaraswamy and JDS had done earlier that they will not fight together. But we are least bothered about whether they will jar hands, they will fight differently. They will experience later. I don't want to come into their way, give my suggestions. But the cadres have a different knowledge on this.
JDS and BJP alliance for Lok Sabha elections is nothing new. We always knew that the JDS is a B team of BJP and their instructions are followed. The party is run on the dictates of BJP. As you saw in the last Rajya Sabha elections, how Mr. Devegowda, Kumaraswamy and team helped the BJP win the 3rd seat by not supporting a minority Congress candidate. Those were early indications, and either way it doesn't matter. Congress is extremely strong. JDS is a party which is folding up, and I'm sure with this Lok Sabha election the JDS leaders will not have too much work, as Mr. Kumaraswamy himself has been acting as the leader of opposition and with all the BJP leaders queuing behind him. So I think it's the end of the road for both the parties.
ಯಾರು ಅಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಮತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
लेकिन बीजेपी के कुछ MLAs ऐसे हैं जिनकी राय है कि बीजेपी JDS की हिमायत के बगैर भी इलेक्शन जीत सकती है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी has a capacity to contest. Let us see.